It's a 2019 Audi A4. With a chiseled profile, luxurious cabin, and German-engineered performance, this A4 is the ultimate go-getter. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: smart device navigation, front heated leather bucket seats, refrigerated box located in the glove box, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, auto shift manual transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.